Mic test, mic test. We are testing Maono Caster G1 Neo. It also has RGB lighting. You can change the RGB. Reverb. Low. Oh, that's cool. Hello. And then we also have the voice changer.
This is Maverick POV and welcome to my YouTube channel. That's weird.
Hello. Hello, handsome dude.
Hi there, I'm a baby. And there's
A robot. Hello. Like this. It doesn't sound like a robot, it sounds like a deep volume voice.
No peeking. Drop in a smoke.
Reloading.
Spike down A.
Here, yeah.
One enemy remaining.
Spike is A.
Right here. Dropping smokes.
Reload. My ult is ready.
Refreshing.
Reloading. Time to jump.
Spike planted.
Cutting through.
Not ready yet. Drop in a smoke.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Dropping smoke. Reloading. My ult is ready. You had your fun. My turn. Face your fear!
One enemy remaining.
That's three. Back like I never left. No peeking. Enemy spotted B. Our spot carriers down.
Spike down B.
Woo! Drop in. No wrong buddy at dropping smokes. Yeah, yeah. Here comes it.
One enemy remaining.
Top mid last.
Wingman's gonna plant spike.
My ult is ready. I'll just like to think about that one, alright? You up? Stay safe.